Want to sound like a real chef when you cook? Today I tells you 20 powerful cooking verbs you need to know. Don't say, mix the flour. Say, sift the flour. Sift the flour means to pass it through a sieve to remove lumps and add air so baked goods become lighter and fluffier. Don't say, mix the butter and sugar. Say, cream the butter and sugar. Cream the butter and sugar means to beat them together until the mixture becomes light, fluffy, and pale in color. Don't say, mix the eggs. Say, whisk the eggs. Whisk the eggs means to beat them vigorously with a whisk to incorporate air and make them light and fluffy. Don't say, mix in the ingredients. Say, fold in the ingredients. Means to just gently fry ingredients using a spatula in a cutting and turning motion to keep air in the mixture. Don't say, mix the dough. Say, knead the dough. Knead the dough means to press, fold, stretch, and turn dough with your hands to develop the gluten and make it smooth and elastic. Don't say, cut the garlic. Say, mince the garlic. Mince the garlic means to chop it into very tiny pieces so the flavor spreads evenly when cooking. Don't say, fry the garlic. Say, sauté the garlic. Sauté the garlic means to cook it quickly in a little hot oil or butter until fragrant. Don't say, bake the vegetables. Say, roast the vegetables. Roast means to cook them in the oven with dry heat until they become caramelized and flavorful. Don't say, boil the broccoli. Say, steam the broccoli. Steam the broccoli means to cook it with steam so it stays bright green, crisp, and full of nutrients. Don't say, fry the salmon. Say, grill the salmon. Grill the salmon means to cook it on a grill or grill pan with high heat to get beautiful grill marks and a crispy exterior. Don't say, mix the salad. Say, toss the salad. Toss the salad means to gently lift and turn the ingredients so they are evenly coated with dressing without bruising the leaves. Don't say, boil the broth. Say, simmer the broth. Simmer the broth means to cook it gently over low heat so the flavors develop slowly without boiling. Don't say, boil the vegetables. Say, blanch the vegetables. Blanch the vegetables means to briefly boil them, then shock them in ice water to keep bright color and crisp texture. Don't say, soak the tofu. Say, marinate the tofu. Marinate the tofu means to soak it in a flavorful sauce so it absorbs taste before cooking. Don't say, blend the soup. Say, puree the soup. Puree the soup means to blend cooked ingredients into a smooth, creamy texture. Don't say, grate the lemon. Say, zest the lemon. Zest the lemon means to grate the colorful outer peel to add bright citrus flavor without the bitter white pith. Don't say, cut the carrots. Say, shred the carrots. Shred the carrots means to grate them into thin strips for salads, slaws, or baking. Don't say, rest the dough. Say, proof the dough. Proof the dough means to let it rise in a warm place so the yeast activates and the dough doubles in size. Don't say, cut the bread. Say, score the bread. Score the bread means to make shallow cuts on top of the loaf before baking so it expands beautifully in the oven. Don't say, spread the cake. Say, glaze the cake. Glaze the cake means to brush or pour a thin, shiny sugar coating on top for flavor and beautiful finish. Thanks for learning with me today. Which cooking verb surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe for more lessons.